Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix send and receive errors on your Outlook application. So if you cannot send messages and you also cannot receive messages, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So make sure that you are connected to an internet, and if the internet is not the issue, then open your Outlook application, click on your inbox. Now in your inbox, you need to make sure that if there are unnecessary items on your inbox, you need to delete that. Unnecessary items or those items that you have already read, you need to simply delete that because that will just take storage on your Outlook application and that will just take space on your Outlook app. So you just have to simply delete that and also click on your outbox, and then if there are items right here that has not been sent, then you just need to simply delete all of those, because if there are large files that you haven't sent and that will be stored in the outbox, just simply delete that and you just have to resend those items again. Okay, so close this once you're done. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on it under the best match. Scroll down to the G section and you'll find a service named Google Updater Internal Service. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure that is disabled or change that to disabled. Service status, you need to stop that. Click on Apply, click on OK. And you'll find the second service, Google Updater Service. Also make a right click on it, select Properties, Startup type, change that to disabled. Service status, you need to click on Stop, click on Apply, click on OK, and then close out of here. Make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, open your Outlook app and continue to send and receive messages. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.